All right, so this is my 2019 Softail Slim, and I just installed these Radiant Cycles Shorty GPs because I am adding saddlebags, so I had to do the taillight relocate and get some shorter pipes because the bags would be, or the pipes are in the way of the bags. So this is my first time turning it on. They say these things are loud. We'll see. I had the S&S Grand Nationals, which were decent, not loud, but let's see what these sound like. Alrighty, I think these things are super loud. I did get these baffles that are supposedly they're supposed to quiet this thing down, but I don't think so. These things are freaking loud, dude. Anyway, I'm happy with it. People will be able to hear me as I'm splitting down the lanes. I'm not sure about my neighbors as I take off early morning, so we'll see. I had a Sporty before this. I had Pythons with the baffles completely removed, and those suckers were loud. I think these might be louder. Anyway, it'll have to do till I get I want to get something else, maybe 2-in-1, not sure what brand, but these will have to do for now. They were fairly inexpensive. They were like 110 bucks. These baffles were like 15 bucks each or 12 bucks each, I don't remember. But the shipping was fast. I was actually surprised that they came because this whole coronavirus thing, man. But they came faster than they were estimated. They were supposed to come on the 24th, between the 24th and 27th. Today is the 21st. Anyway, yeah, probably jump on it right now and see how it sounds on the road. Alrighty.